Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I vlogged because again super busy with all my deadlines and work schedule. So it's almost 6 in the morning and I'm waiting for the boys because we're heading out of Goa today. They said that they would be here at 5:30. They have crossed the timeline. I think it's almost around 6:15 waiting for the cab to come. I don't know how much more time they would take because I know these boys are always late. But today, because we're catching a flight, I don't know why they're delaying. But yeah, hope for the best. Maybe catch a flight. After a long ass discussion on whether some equipment had to come or not, we finally made it into the taxi. And now we are heading. Yeah, and we have Utesh over here with us. Next stop, Mumbai International Airport. We made it to the airport. Taxi and Mario and all bought their car as well because he had a different mindset, but okay, we'll talk about that later. Yeah. Okay guys, so we got luggage cleared.
Cutie cow.
What?
Cutie cow.
Magga. Let's do this. So now boarding passes. We got the cargo loaded up with all the stands. We got tickets. Now the worst nightmare to remove everything from the bag. So the cops what equipments we are carrying. The reason why I don't like traveling sometimes is because you need to remove everything from your bag, place it here so that you can get done for security. So let's get this sorted out quick. Finally got cleared, checked. Sadly my bag was taken to the side, but apparently it was just a false alarm. They were just checking my batteries. And now we are heading to our gate. Flight is at 10:30, so I'm assuming departures would start by 9:30, something like that. Do you want to eat something?
Bro, I'm hungry, man. I can't stay like this.
Got to find some breakfast now. Let's see. The protein bar. I don't know, these guys have still not ordered anything. So I'll just have this. Quickest KFC delivery happened in 15 minutes.
Not less than this.
Less than 15. Okay. What? 8-10 minutes?
No, I just like 3
Or 3 minutes. Depending on what to eat, so I grabbed in a protein bar. Over here, eating at the airport is slightly expensive because if you want to have tea for like this cup, it's like 250 rupees. And for this medium cup, it's like around 350. So we were all discussing whether do we really need that or should we spend only in Bangalore like for our lunch or something like that. So that's why I grabbed in a protein bar and one water bottle, the cheapest meal you can get at the airport. Time to get into the flights. It's raining. Landed and we have to go get the bus. Super hot in Bangalore, yeah. So just got into a quick meeting. He's busy over there at the back. So one thing that we realize now is that what we realize is that we have to exit and then re-enter with our boarding pass. Grab lunch soon because I'm super hungry. It's been a while also since I've eaten now. Last was what I've eaten was a protein bar. Thing is that we reached quite early. We thought it would take 2 hours, but we reached like in 1 hour's time. And here we are, Bangalore T1 International Airport. We have a layover 5 to 6 hours here in Bangalore. So now we gotta do the security check-in all over again, remove all the stuff. And yeah. What our bags is that it's detachable. New hack unlocked. Apparently, because we came super early, security check-in was not happening because when they were scanning barcodes, it was not matching because the flight was not there because it's only coming at around 5 o'clock or something like that. So Indigo is very helpful. They sent in a staff and got us checked separately through their staff counters. And now we are finally done and we are going to find some place to eat because I'm super hungry right now. After seeing the entire airport, the only option and the last resort is KFC. A veg biryani at, I don't know what's the name of the place, but it was 900 rupees, which was absurd. So we got our meals for 600, which was pretty decent. Our boys all stressed over here. Saying that India is not meant for beginners. You see this board? Good seating practice. My boy over here. Oh, famous Lububu's here. Lubu. Labu. Currently, we have just come to a place called Smoor, and me and Alistair have ordered hot chocolate. They also have a nice chocolate section over here, which is pretty surprising because they have some Baileys and some other kind of different flavors. They're also available online, so I've not checked them out yet, but I definitely want to try it out. The hazelnut, and Alistair did a classic, something known as a 55 Belgian dark chocolate that they've used. I'm hearing about this brand for the first time. It's called Smoor. So let's have a quick taste. Okay, nice aroma. Handcrafted chocolate.
That's good.
It's actually good because it's dark red. It's a different flavor basically. Pretty impressive, guys. Boarding gate is actually number 20, 23, 24. Mario went to 36. I don't know. This guy is acting very funny today. He's just walking ahead of us all the time. What he said?
Not 24.
This is our flight. It's the Indigo ATR. This is the ATR of Indigo. It's a smaller version of the bigger bad boys of Indigo Airbuses. And next stop, that's a surprise. We boarded our flight.
अब हम उड़ान के लिए तैयार हैं। आयल को खाली रखने से हमें जल्दी प्रस्थान करने में सहायता मिलेगी। अपनी सीट बेल्ट।
Guys, वनकम और स्वागत है तमिलनाडु में. It's Trichurapalli that we have just arrived to. So most of you will be like, okay, why am I in South India? First thing, Tamil Nadu. But I thought you will think that I'm for a holiday, but no, actually it is. But we have come to shoot a destination wedding over here for the next 4 days. First we thought when the hotel was sending a vehicle for us, we thought it was going to be some Innova. Yeah, they send us the whole bus. That's so cool. Thanks to the clients for doing this for us. More easier to put in all our equipments. This is just the vibe.
Now the AC is hitting.
Now, oh yeah.
And they do
The banana leaf. You're spoiling my vlog, huh? I'm telling you now, Ali. I'm spoiling it, dude. You're spoiling it. We are coming to this place called Nika Biryani. And it's in the middle of the airport to the resort. So the driver suggested that we try out this place. So guys, we are trying out the biryani. What is the halwa? Bro, what a halwa, man. Pretty good. Eat the hand there. Eating with hand is a different kind of vibe. Got some damn good parotas here to eat with the chicken. Actually waiting for us to move out and they just shut. It's already 11 and now we are heading back on the road to go back to our resort or our hotel, wherever we are going. Back to the bus. I can't believe they actually sent us the bus.
I swear, bro. I'm surprised.
Least expected out of everything.
I swear.
Finally finally we have reached. They're just unloading everything. And this is the entry to our stay. Apparently it's because it's already 12:30 and it's too dark. You cannot see the surrounding. But once we get to the room, I'm going to give a tour maybe of the room, or I'm going to take a shower and crash. And tomorrow morning, since I'm free, I'm going to do a slide tour of this place. So yeah, currently super exhausted. Took 2 multiple flights with a massive layover. So again, welcome to Trichy. I don't know, bro. So guys, we got our room and this actually looks damn good. So me and Saish are together over here. And the surprise element is always the bathroom. Something very unique. And apparently this is a spring water that's connected, and we have a normal shower over here. Something very different. So guys, I think I'm gonna close out the vlog over here and see you in day 2 of this South Indian vlog.